In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear search bar history suggestions on Google Chrome. This is a handy thing to know if you want to maintain your privacy or simply clear out old searches that no longer serve you. Let's dive in and walk through the entire process together. First things first, you'll want to open up your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once you've got it open, you'll notice a three-dot menu icon located in the upper right corner of the window. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a drop-down menu with a variety of options. What we're interested in is the History option, so place your cursor over it. Once you have hovered over or clicked on History, a side menu will appear. From that menu, click on History again to open the History page. This will show you a complete list of websites you've visited recently. Now, to further refine our task, look for the Clear Browsing Data option on the left side of this page and click on it. At this stage, a new window will appear, giving you several options on what you can clear from your browsing history. By default, you should see options for clearing your browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. For the purpose of clearing search bar history suggestions, make sure the box for browsing history is checked. You might also want to take a moment to customize the time range. If you're looking to clear all your history, select All Time from the drop-down menu, but you can choose a shorter range if you prefer. Before proceeding, take a moment to review your selections to ensure you only delete what you intend to. Once you're satisfied with your choices, click the Clear Data button in the lower corner of the window. Depending on the amount of data being cleared, this could take a few moments. After you've completed these steps, your search bar will no longer suggest past queries when you start typing in it. It's worth noting that this process will not only clear search suggestions, but also remove any stored passwords or other site data if you selected those options during the process. So, if there are passwords or special site settings you want to keep, be sure to deselect them before clearing your data. And that's all there is to it. Now you've successfully cleared your search bar history suggestions, giving you a fresh start. Remember to repeat this process whenever you feel your search history has gotten a bit cluttered or if you share your device and wish to keep your activities private. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide useful. Stay tuned for more tips and helpful tutorials.